friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really simple but kind of cool ephemera layout using the Muse collection by Ciao Bella. I have a flip through on this and another layout if you want to check that out up here and get more crafting done. This was relatively simple to make. I'll show you how I dyed and distressed this paper doily, fussy cut. I literally came this close to using flowers because flowers are my jam, but decided against it last minute because it looked good. I just liked it. Sometimes simple is better. I tell myself that sometimes. What do you think? Please comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this collection. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. All these products will be in my description, by the way, down below. So if you like this collection or any of these inks, check out those links. Let's make stuff.